It's equally at home, be it blasting down desert roads, rock crawling in the mountains, or just cruising down the highway. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford, and today we're talking about this absolutely beautiful, this amazingly stunning 2021 Ford Raptor, and this is a really nice version. Let's dive in. So the Raptor for 2021 was almost completely all new, completely redesigned. When Ford redesigns their pickup trucks, it's more of evolutionary changes than revolutionary. They don't like to depart too much from the previous design. Why mess with a working formula? But beneath those subtle changes, there are substantial changes underneath. And for 2021, the F-150 and the F-150 Raptor like this benefits greatly from them. Even the 3.5 liter V6 was retuned. Even though it looks like a carryover, they actually lowered the peak torque from 3,000 RPM from 3,500 RPM, so it feels much more responsive, pumping out 450 horsepower. This thing is built to do multiple versions of off-roading. Like I said, you can blast down desert roads comfortably at near triple-digit speeds. You can do technical off-road trails, rock crawling, and things like this. It's at home, and this thing drives awesome on roads. Even on like a curvy tarmac road with its wide track and suspension, it's a fun car to drive on curvy roads without dirt or gravel. We have a copy of the original build sheet on this one. This one's really nice equipped with features. The original MSRP was $82,730. This has the Power Tech package, giving you a Pro Power onboard 2 kilowatt generator, power tailgate, tailgate steps, twin power panel moonroof was a $1,495 option. Then we have the Raptor 37 Performance Package. That was $7,500, giving you these amazing 37-inch BSW all-terrain tires. 37-inch wheels and tires on a production car is absolutely amazing. And then we also have an interior color blue accent package, unique 17-inch forged aluminum wheels, Recaro blue accent front seats, and then we have the bed liner tough bed spray and bed liner, $595. And of course we have a complimentary copy of that for you to peruse yourself. This blue interior is absolutely beautiful, nice contrast with the white exterior. You have a leather trim on it. You have like this Alcantara suede cloth material. Very comfortable, very supportive. We have the Raptor embroidered in there. The B&O sound system also has integrated speakers into the headrests. We have a nice big pano roof to allow lots of natural light inside. A sunshade to dim things down. We have auxiliary upfitter switches if you want to add any more accessories. I love how the shifter stows right into the center console just to keep it nice and flush. Wireless charging pad, heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated front seats. We have a huge screen for the Sync 4 infotainment system, absolutely humongous. We have a rear parking camera as well as an overhead camera as well. Completely digital gauge cluster of analog style gauges. It's configurable, so the information you need is right there in front of you. We also have we can change the behavior of the vehicle with these buttons right here. Here we can make changes to the steering set. We have normal, comfort, and sport. It looks like there's an off-road driving mode, but I think we have to put the vehicle in off-road mode to access that. Then for the suspension, we have normal, sport, and off-road. Then for this exhaust, you have normal, sport, and Baja. It's definitely getting louder. I'll rev the engine a little bit too, so you can hear some of that twin turbo V6 music. Sounds really nice. We'll get the camera a little bit closer to that exhaust and rev it some more. This example is clean Carfax, 18,382 miles. This thing's in near pristine condition. I don't think this thing was ever off-roaded by the looks of it, but maybe they just cleaned it really well, but it is in immaculate condition. You'll have a hard time finding one mark on it. Nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, feels great in your hands. You have these nice steering wheel paddle shifters. You can take control of the 10 forward gears. Nice side steps. There are those massive 37-inch wheels and tires. Absolutely gigantic. And surprisingly, as big as these tires are, this thing drives amazing on road. It's like a fantastic engineering feat by Ford to make something so amazing off-road to drive equally amazing on-road. It's a lot of fun to drive on-road. Nice aggressive front end styling. We have these rigid fog lights, nice projector headlights for outstanding nighttime visibility. There's that amazing EcoBoost V6, 450 horsepower. All the power you'd really need in a vehicle like this. It can rocket the 0-60 in a tad over 6 seconds. Very quick for such a large pickup truck. And being a 4-door, it also doubles as a great family vehicle. Lots of space back here. We have rear outbound heated seats. We also have integrated storage underneath the seats as well. This has a nice hard tonneau cover. Great accessory. So stuff that's in the bed, it's out of prying eyes. It's locked and safe in there. We have a power operated tailgate. We have that tough bed integrated bed liner. We have a cargo mat. We have that upgraded 2 kilowatt max power package. So you can use the vehicle as like a generator. We have integrated LED lighting. And they also have this step integrated into the tailgate. Well, the off-road suspension, those 37-inch tires, putting stuff in and getting stuff out of the bed is not the easiest thing to do, but this integrated bed step makes it a lot easier. You can see it's really easy to deploy, and it's really easy to get in and out of the bed in a cinch. I know you want to hear some of that EcoBoost exhaust music, so I'll rev the engine a little bit so you can hear how it sounds. Sounds really nice. Even better when you're blasting down a desert road, getting that thing near redline, an exhilarating driving experience. It's like your own personal amusement park ride. It's a magic carpet that can whisk you off to lots of amazing places, be it right around Moses Lake in the dunes of Moses Lake, Washington, the dunes of Florence, up in the mountains, some of the cool places in the Olympic Peninsula. So many amazing places to explore in the great open, wide open in the Pacific Northwest, and this is your ticket there in complete comfort and looking really good. Thanks for watching and have a great day.